In today's hybrid and remote first work environments, keeping teams aligned, formed, and engaged is more important than ever. Traditional intranets and email chains no longer meet the demands of modern internal communication. That's where Workvivo steps in. Workvivo is an employee communication and engagement platform that brings together company news, social interaction, recognition, and collaboration into one centralized digital space. Whether your team is on site, remote, or global, Workvivo makes it easy to foster culture, boost morale, and keep everyone connected. In this video, we'll walk you through Workvivo's core features and how it can transform your internal communication strategy in 2025. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized communication feed. Workvivo offers a real time social style feed that acts as your company's communication hub. Here, leaders can post updates, share announcements, embed videos, or link to external content. It's similar to a company wide social network where employees can like, comment, and engage with content, creating a two-way conversation rather than just top-down messaging. This feed promotes transparency, increases visibility into company goals and updates, and creates a sense of community, even across dispersed teams. Another key feature is the employee recognition tools. One of WorkVivo's standout features is its built-in recognition system. Employees and managers can publicly recognize each other for achievements, milestones, or day to day contributions. Recognition posts are visible to everyone and can be tied to company values or team goals. Recognition helps boost morale, reinforces positive behavior, and supports a culture of appreciation. It's especially powerful in remote environments where casual praise might otherwise be missed. Another key feature is the spaces for teams and departments. WorkVivo allows you to create spaces which are dedicated areas for specific teams, departments, or interest groups. Each space has its own content feed, resources, documents, and events. Spaces are customizable and can be public or private depending on the use case. Spaces help keep communication organized and relevant. Teams can collaborate more efficiently, share updates in context, and reduce cross departmental noise. Another key feature is the event and content sharing. You can easily schedule and promote company events, town halls, webinars, and training sessions within WorkVivo. It supports RSVP tracking, links to video conferencing, and post event discussions. It also allows sharing of blog posts, podcasts, and internal documents with embedded media support. This feature ensures that everyone stays informed and engaged with company happenings. It improves attendance and helps employees feel included in the bigger picture. Another key feature is the mobile app access. WorkVivo offers a robust mobile app for iOS and Android, allowing employees to stay connected no matter where they are. They can view posts, receive notifications, access documents, and engage with peers all from their smartphones. The mobile experience mirrors the desktop interface and offers full functionality. With mobile access, communication isn't limited to office hours or desktop computers. It ensures your workforce, especially non desk employees, has equal access to information and interactions. So, why is Workvivo a great choice? Workvivo stands out as a modern alternative to outdated internal communication tools. It blends the familiarity of social media with the functionality of an intranet, making it intuitive for employees at all levels to adopt and use consistently. Designed with employee experience in mind, WorkVivo doesn't just share information, it builds culture, encourages engagement, and gives employees a voice. Its visual interface, personalized spaces, and recognition tools help make employees feel more connected to the organization and each other. WorkVivo is also highly scalable and secure, making it a strong fit for businesses of all sizes and industries. It integrates with tools like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, Slack, and more, allowing seamless access within your existing workflows. So basically, WorkVivo is more than just a communication platform. It's a culture building tool that empowers organizations to create transparent, connected, and motivated workforces. From recognition to real time updates and community spaces, it delivers everything needed for modern internal communication in one user friendly platform. So, if you want to replace fragmented systems and build stronger engagement among your teams, WorkVivo is a smart choice in 2025. It centralizes communication, boosts morale, and makes every employee feel valued and informed. So start using WorkVivo today and see how it can revolutionize the way your organization communicates and connects. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.